Hi everyone, welcome you all in another video of Azure DevOps. In this video, we will see how we can create an CI/CD for Next application. We have already completed 3 videos with React, Java, and Android CI/CD pipelines. You can go through this playlist to watch these videos. Plus, on our channel, we have another videos of monitoring, logging, cloud, Kubernetes, etc. You can browse them. If you require any specific topic or want to ask something, you can do comment. Let's start with the today video. Here is our public project via name of Azure DevOps on our, and it is a public repository in which you will find this folder. Next, under that you will find this pipeline file, which is an YAML file. Under that we have defined the code for the next application. Let's see how this pipeline will work. First is the trigger section. Whenever you are doing some commits or PR to the UAT branch, then this particular pipeline will run. Then your first part is this pipeline is the trigger. Second part is the variables. You are using some variables of Sonar. You are defining a group of Sonar under that, and then you are defining a local variables of agent image you want Ubuntu latest. Here groups are the library groups, and we have created this library groups on the Azure DevOps by name of SonarCred, from where we will fetch our keys related to project. Then project folder, you will see how we are utilizing this variables. Then secure file by name of .env. Then we first one is the trigger, then second configuration was the variable, third configuration is the stage. Then we are maintaining here the multiple stages. First stage is the build stage, and then second one is the deploy stage. First stage is the build. Under that we are building the application by using the latest image. Then first things, there are some prerequisites. It's required .env file before continue. Then you can see it's downloading that secure file, and when we download the secure file, go to the temp folder, and from this temp folder we are moving it to the project folder. That's why we use that variable, and it is the repository where is our code is present of next application. Then we have that files. Then here we are using SEST, and SEST tool is SonarCube. What is SEST? Dest SC. We have a video on that. You can browse on our channel via name of application COD testing. Here SonarCube, we are creating the SonarCube, and we have already defined a service connection via name of SonarCube in our Azure DevOps project. So whatever the, if you want to use SonarCube here, you will change whatever the service connection name you have. Then its key, project key, whatever the key you have stored in library group, that you are can call here. That's the SonarCube configuration part. Then we have another dependency node we require. Here our application is the node application, which depends on the node 16. Then first application is the npm install hyphen legacy pt flags. Here we are in this particular command is installing the dependency for our project. Then npm run build, it creating the artifact, building the app and creating the artifact which will be used to deploy it. Then whatever we have deployed, on that we will run our SonarCube execute analyze. Then whatever is analyzed, the report will be submitted to the SonarCube platform that can be seen on the SonarCube. And then we have copy file. When we build the here important thing is, when we are building the SonarCube doing the SonarCube analyze, sorry, when we are building the next application, it will create the out folder, and in the out folder we are copying everything to this artificial state directory, and that artificial state directory we are publishing to the drop container. So till now we have completed the one stage of build. If we quick recap, first we have defined the triggers, then some useful variables, then we are creating some prerequisites like files, initial configuring the SonarQube, installing the nodes tool, then building the application, and after building the application we are analyzing with SonarQube, publishing the reports on SonarQube, and the artifact in the out folder we are publishing it to the artifact location. So till now one stage is completed. Another stage is the your stage. This stage will only run when the commit or PR commit is raised on the what we can say on the UID branch, and PR is merged on the UID branch. It is not PR is raised, PR is merged. When PR is raised, code is there in the UID branch, then it will run. Now this page is running. We are using environment features available in the Azure DevOps. So what this feature say, we can use that feature. But this feature say that you can add some reviewers or approvers, like this is your code, it is going to be on your UID product or any environment. Now you have the environment declared over here, and the mentioned approver on that environment. Whenever this step will get trigger when the commits on the UID branch, but it will only run when someone approve from the approvers in the this environment. So there are some another again variable. We are defining the variables here as they don't have any significance in the global level. They are just specific to this particular what we can say deploy stage. Here we are using the web app and its resource group, and defining its package for Linux. Here one thing, where we are deploying, we are not deploying on the virtual machine. There is the application web app by name of web app in the Azure, which is you can say PaaS, platform as a service by Azure. So we are just pushing our code here, which we have generated as an artifact. So here we are downloading the artifact, and then we are deploying by using the service connection, which we have name of SP. Then it is the location where we will publish it, and connection type is Azure RM. So this is all. Till now we first build, then deploy the next application on the web app, and that's our complete CI/CD. Thanks for watching. If you have any suggestion, any particular tool you want us to cover, please write us that in the comment section. Thanks.